Hi, I'm Kevin Bunsen. I own Allklean Carpet Cleaning, and I started Allklean in June of 2001. And I started off just like I have with other companies, knowing that quality is what will set you apart in the community. We started the company with the idea in mind that if you do good work and are fair in your prices, that people will just keep coming back to you over and over and over again. And over the last 19 years, we built this company, and over time our customer list has got bigger and bigger and bigger, and we had to make decisions on how are we going to take this to the next level? How are we going to expand in such a way that would allow our customers to still have the trust in us and still have the community's desire to use our company? And so what we did is we actually created a system to replicate myself. And that system has created excellent technicians that work for us, and we train those people. We spend about 90 days with a technician. They go through a whole in-house process with our crew. In that time, we teach them how the carpet is made, how the carpet is cleaned. We teach them about chemistry, why some things won't come out of carpet, and why difficult things that we want to have come out and why we can get them out and other carpet cleaning companies can't. We teach them how to run our world-class equipment. And what that has allowed us to do is allowed us to be one of the premier, if not the premier, carpet cleaning company in Coeur d'Alene and Spokane County. It really has been a tremendous blessing to my family as we've grown our business, raised our kids here, and I look at my trucks running around out in the community, serving realtors and serving property managers and serving you all, and I'm just amazed at the blessings that have come our way and the support that this community has given us. And we just looking forward to the opportunity to get better at what we do, take advantage of new technology that's coming out, new equipment that comes out on the marketplace. And we're just looking to capture that and bring that to you, bring you good prices with quality service. And that's what makes us different, because it's not clean unless it's all clean.